right, welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today we're going to show you how to make these cheese manicotti. Some people call it manicotti, but it's manicotti. Anyway, let's get started.
All right. Today we're going to make fresh manicotti. To everyone else, they say manicotti, but it's manicotti actually.
Manicotti, that's right.
We have really nice ricotta cheese, shredded mozzarella, parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, and a little parsley. And we're going to make our mix, and then we're going to fill it. And we have some fresh pasta sheets, and then we're going to roll them up and smoke them.
That's what I was thinking. All right.
You ready? All right.
What do you got, about 2 pounds of ricotta there?
Yeah, about 2 pounds. And we got some mozzarella here.
1.5 pounds of mozzarella. Oh, yeah.
All right, we're going to add a little Parmesan cheese to that, too.
Beautiful.
Me, I say a little, I like a lot. Some parsley. Some pepper. And about a teaspoon of salt.
Very simple recipe.
Very easy.
And it's delicious. We have our tomato sauce here. We pre-made. You can actually get this recipe on our channel. Tomato sauce. All right.
All right, look at that, beautiful.
All right. Let's get the pasta sheets.
Okay, okay, we got our pasta sheets here. And by the way, all this stuff we got today, we got from Jimmy's. He gave this to us. We got some beautiful ricotta. All this stuff is from
all the cheese
from Jimmy's.
Yeah,
Nice. Great place.
Yeah, even these pasta
I need to go get some sausage real soon.
Just cutting them in half.
Just in half. It's so simple.
These are jumbo manicotti.
Yeah, we do nothing small here.
That's right. You're a mom.
What the hell are you laughing at? Look at that.
Oh, beautiful.
And that's the thing of beauty.
That is beautiful.
And so quick and easy.
Beautiful.
See how simple that is?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna put some sauce in the bottom of the tray now. All right, you don't need to completely cover it. Just want to, enough to get it in there, get colored, and you want to we'll put sauce on the top when we're done. And that's it.
Yeah, simple.
That's simple. Yeah. Before we put it in, I'm gonna put a little Parmesan cheese on top of that. And then we're gonna bake it for about maybe 20, 25 minutes on 450.
Nice.
All right.
Easy recipe.
Also, too, we're gonna make cannelloni another day.
Nice.
And you can use this pasta also to make raviolis, fresh ravioli, with the same ricotta mix.
Beautiful.
Now that's a manicotti.
Very nice.
All right, we're gonna put our sauce on here now. You don't want to drown them in sauce, Beautiful. Hold on. We're gonna add some Parmesan cheese to the top of that.
Oh yeah.
And that's it.
Beautiful. Let's get those
For the oven to
cooking.
preheat and we'll cook them.
All right, we got another pan ready. Dominic's taking that one home.
I already said that.
Yeah, it didn't video.
What?
All right, as soon as that oven hits 450 degrees, we're gonna pop them in the oven. Oh yeah. And by the way, my mom helped me make this sauce today. Actually, she directed me. And you can get that recipe on our channel. Tomato sauce.
I like that. All right, we're gonna put these in the oven. Let them cook.
How long? 30 minutes?
And we'll check them in about 30 minutes. And then, you know what? I'm gonna pop this one on the top too.
There you go.
It's not gonna affect anything. All right, we're gonna take these out now. They look like they're ready.
Oh yeah. Oh my God, look at those things.
Beautiful.
Manicotti. Beautiful.
Looking
All
good.
right. All right. Taste test time.
Looks good.
There goes my lovely wife. And check out her basil plant. This was a little, like, 10-inch plant at one time.
It's delicious.
Giant. Thank you.
Amazing.
How is it, Mother?
Very good.
It
Is
is.
it good? You're not just saying that, are you?
Mhm.
You're not just saying that, are
It
you?
is
No.
amazing. It's amazing. It really is.
Oh, man. How is it, though?
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Beautiful. Anyway, I'm going to dig into mine. Hey, we appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching.
Thanks again.
Try this easy
Delicious.
manicotti recipe or manicotti recipe.
Thank you.
See you later.
Salute.
Salud.